support your continuous support. Ngiyikhulumile indaba yesilungu ebusuku.
Keep my head bowed low, my grip loose, my heart pure before you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My Sanbonani Lochani, if this is Lindo Mhlanga, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Honey. So today is Sunday. I don't know, guys. And guys, ngizame makeup. And Ma, I'm gonna keep in necklace, guys. I think outfit here me get but in necklace okay, right, but with these earrings I think will be too much, so now I keep her, guys. So I'll attach a picture on the side. Nibona ukuthi ngqokeni everything. Ma ngicela ngibele necklace. No, ngibela. Ikuba too much. Hey. Nayi mama. Ngikhipha la. Sisi yanzi. Oh. Hi guys, again I'm so sorry to start a vlog saying we're going to church and Sissy late already. Sissy late already, but sesisukile, so yeah. Angazi guys ukuthi ngizokhuluma nani nini. I don't know. I didn't plan anything for this vlog. I didn't plan anything, but I think sizenzakalela ngizobona nje ukuthi ngenza ini to create content nibe right. But for now, let me show you guys icathulo engizozigqoka. These are the shoes bengizigqoka emshadweni. These are the shoes, and guys, as it comfortable. Well, they're comfortable. They don't jink as like the comfortable, but as it comfortable. The reason I'm saying is it comfortable, but as it comfortable, it's this part la. I think melancholy because in yours is a shelly. I think melancholy. I don't know what they called. But lezi zinto ozinamathiselayo la icathulo for ukuthi icathulo zakho zingashibireki. Otherwise right akukho kuningi engingakusho, but I need to get those things for ukuthi inyawo zami zingashibireki, because once they start being slippery, it's shy zivele zingabi comfortable, but zona zi comfortable. So yeah, this is my look, and guys, my makeup. I think I need to do this often. Body blush, it's a liquid blush, but I think I need to do this often. Makeup. But guys, let me stop talking a lot. Sizokhuluma, I don't know when, but yeah. Bye guys. Hi guys, so it's many hours later. It's okay, angazi isikhathi, angazi wangiyixaka nje ngesikhathi, angazi ubani isikhathi, but unayini ushayile, I think about 10, around 10, and angakayisusi makeup, and I'm not sure ukuthi iyabonakala kahle la because the lighting it's not that good, but I used a Fit Me foundation. What's the setting spray? I also used a Fit Me, and and nale concealer bengayithembi kahle, but anginama lines nani. I don't know if niyabona, but anginawo ama lines la. Like it lasted, and ngithelwe amanzi, and I thought izosuka ngibe snacks, but this is right. I think I should turn the camera around, maybe nezongibona kahle ngazi. Hi guys, I got well kahle. Okay, iyabonakala. But yeah, it's still intact and I didn't do much. Okay, I used a concealer, a dark concealer for contouring. Yeah, I was happy guys for bengigcineni nje ukwenza makeup ukuzenza mina. I don't know, but bengigcine sama. So I'm happy shem nangishiya lizamile lana. I think ngizingwahile njengoba selihlukene, but alikho bad bandla. Alikho bad. I'm not mad ngayo. I think I did a good job. Yeah, I think ngijwayele. So I'm about to remove this makeup. I don't know guys what's so cool, but I'll make sure I do something, put something together, maybe a content, because it's Vlogtober. I have to post something. I have to be consistent. I have to post. Guys, late as well as long. But I have to post. I was thinking of posting maybe 2 times a week. I'm not sure, but manbona le video I think kuzobe sekuna 2 vlogs before yona, and ama-clips wango-September now, but ama-clips asesekhona, and I'm consistent kodwa. I'm consistent. Angazi why ningasubscribe, and my views Timbo ama-views wamaningi, it's 150 something, but I'm subscribers, but some of you do subscribe or did subscribe, and I thank you so much bandla ngiyabonga, and nama likes don't one. But thank you so much guys. I really do appreciate your support, your continuous support. Ngiyikhulumile indaba yesilungu ebusuku, ngiyikhulumile. Ngiyabonga guys ukungixhasa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bandla ngiphezi. I think so nakusasa, yeah. I think so nakusasa. So let me remove this makeup, then yeah. So nakusasa guys. Bye for now.
The next day.
Sithi uyagijima mawugijima le nto boyenza nayo climb yiyo ngisho.
Yeah. Hayi maka bengadlali.
Uwenza
Ungabhali climb, ungafaka uclimb.
ugijima ke.
Yeah.
Skipping rope awufuni.
Ngisenzile.
Sipho.
Yes.
Ngoba uyasicala.
insufficient.
Ufuna wenzani?
Light the first.
Yenza ini? Yenza ini?
Singenza skipping rope. Nasa sele phansi. Nasa.
Uzaspressa ini.
Ah, thank you. Sanibonani lotshani. Yo. Yasola why ngingakhulumanga before ngiqala because I'm running out of breath. But it's another day of the vlog. Think I introduced the vlog. Hey, exactly. He introduced any vlog, I think Sunday. Yeah, I introduced it Sunday. So today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. I know in terms of Monday, but I didn't have any plans for Monday. So I decided to just wake up and gym, do something. Well, it's already summer, but it's December, yeah. And yeah, I'll be using this tire for Amanyam exercises. I figured I was using those bricks, but they kept on falling, so decided to use this tire and it works perfectly. So I think guys, so okay, so liberating exercise, then I don't know what's in the running for but let me carry on. Yeah. Yasho ukuthi umuntu akasekho seka unfit manje. Hayi umuntu akasekho fit. Ihlaba, yo. And guys, this is my water bottle. I used it ngisajima. Bengijima okay, ithini ngisho wena. Bengijima eSuthu ngalakhe eLight Quest gym last year, yeah. Ngekele last year end of June. Yeah, and yabona once I get a job, first thing engiyifaka kubudget yami i-gym. I enjoyed it so much. And into yokuqala engiyoyenza once sengisebenza into yokuqala engiyifaka kubudget. So this is the water bottle. This is my I'm gonna go skipping rope, but yeah, I accidentally. Guys, I think I'll leave it here for today. Okunye sengizakubona kusasa namanye nje amalanga alandelayo. Ugela ungiboleke newash lakhe shem alingisizile, but I think okunye sengizokubona kusasa guys. Nakwamanye nje amalanga ngathi ngingaba nale power enginayo namhlanje ngivuke and exercise because I feel good. I really feel good. But ngathi ngiyageza manje. I think ngizogeza because today angiyi ndawo anyways. So I think ngizogeza nje vele manje kuseni. Enhle kumele ngigeza ukuthi I think kumele ngigeze so ngizogeza nje mangiceda la. But yeah. I think ngisho ukuthi ngizonibona nini but yeah, ngizonibona guys. Bye for now. Dengan guten. Yeah, dengan guten. Dengan guten. Yeah, dengan guten. Yeah. Ay. Apa langsung lima jalan. Apa? Apa? Ay, so yes. Ay, suka. Apa? Apa? About past 5. Hi guys, so sengicedile ukugeza. Ngikade ukuyenza ukudla ama-Weet-Bix. Ngenze nje 3 guys, ingajajani. Ngenze 3 kuphela and yo ngivele ngakhathala nje mangiceda ukugeza kanti bengi-right before but now yo sekubuya konke lokukhathala. I think ukuthi now ukuthi bengigcine kudala nje vele ukujima. Bengigcine kudala kakhulu but I really enjoyed. Ngisazophinda futhi. Ngisazophinda. I think akusamelanga ngiyeke now. Akusamelanga ngiyeke uma sekaneyibhejeje. Cabanga isilende esineyibhejeje. Akusamelanga ngiyeke. So ithingile guys. We'll talk. Yeah.
The next day.
Sakijima. Sibe mkhulu wenze sifuzela. Ay mal. Ana ne bathroom kanjani? Mhlawumbe benza yona ezakhe nazinto kakhulu. Ah.
So guys, a quick update. Lana besaya emkhulekweni and lana besesiqedile besihamba. As you can see, abomama emuva nabo besebahamba. So we were done emkhulekweni besesihamba, but we decided not to go back ngalendlela esize ngayo, but sihambe ngenye indlela so we can exercise.
Sindanga ngalo ilonje kuphela singasindanga
Masabapsini. Hi guys, it's another day of the vlog. We woke up at 5, yeah. So saqala emkhulekweni, but now sesiyawoka nje siya exercise, siya round. Yeah, bengigcine kudala ukuwoka yo. Oh, gijima. Hayi bengigcine kudala kakhulu. But I'm enjoying this, man. I really am enjoying this. I think I'll do this more often now. Yeah, I think sekumele enjoyele now walk again. It feels really good. And nomoya wasekuseni, man. Yo, that thing yomoya wasekuseni. It really feels good. And guys, zinhle shami. Well, azikho zinhle. Some of them, but amajaridi akhona makhulu, izindlu zakudala. Kusedanotha la, yeah, kusedanotha. Makhulu shema amajaridi akhona. Molweni. Yini manje le? Hello, Chishu. How? Buya phela. Hi, Barney. Hi, Dundwani.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, I'm saying baby, love it shit. You know I'm crazy, so go ahead and put a drink up.
Hi guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. Today is Friday the 10th of October. We're back at college in Gonje. Ekuroleni Computer College Brakpan. We are collecting a certificate. I won't show you guys gahle because it shows ID number and but this thing is yeah. So yeah, it's my N6 certificate. So now saying beginning of job hunter, of which I've been job hunting but no response. But ngisho ukuthi from now on okuhle kodwa guys kumele sikhulumeni ukuphila. So okuhle kodwa I'm sure ukuthi ngizoyithola in service. I'm sure ukuthi in service or a permanent post. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. And I shall hairstyle sekhathele manje iphondo nje selikhathele kwala enweleni, so kumele ngilichacha, angazi ngilichacha nini, but I don't think ngizolichacha this weekend. I think ngizolichacha maybe Tuesday because Friday already. Kusasa I have a gig, then Sunday I have to go to church, then okay, yeah, next week nje ngizobona nje sometime next week. Angazi nokuthi ngiyolichacha kanjani but nje ngizobona and akusaqina kangako. So yeah guys, let me stop talking too much. Yeah, this was my day nje, akukho okunye engikwenzile and sengilayikhaya manje. And let me show you my outfit. Ngingazama ukuyiveza lapha esipilini but esikolweni, but azangivele kahle. So let me show you guys my outfit. Yeah, this is my outfit. This top is from Mr. Price, this skirt is from Mr. Price, shoes are from Jets. Yeah, shoes are from Jets. So yeah, outfit yami yanamhlanje. Oh, and guys, engikhohle ukunikhombisa ukuthi while bengisesebrakpan I went to Pep and I got this tissue oil, LA Lab. I use it for my face. Ngigcobisa okay, ngihlanganisa ne serum yami. Is it a serum? No, it's not. Okay, it's a serum. Iyona leyo guys. Ngihlanganisa nayo because it makes me dry mangiyigcobisa yodwa. Those are next door. But ngihlanganisa nale yephi. Okay, singikhombiseni. But you guys know it by now. Nayi mangiyigcobisa yodwa it makes me dry, so ngihlanganisa nale tissue oil lena. And ngiyithole ikanje guys, ngiyithole ikanjena, bewangekho lawa ane spray. So I just changed the leads. Ngithathe le spray because it was this one, leyona le enja, it was like this. Then I changed the leads because ngifuna ibe another thing, like ngikhona ukuspray. So yeah, this is it. Yo engigcobise ebusweni. I hope nayibona. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. That's all that I wanted to show you. So I'm not sure if that's the end of the vlog. I'm not sure what it are how many minutes, but if this is the end of the vlog, thank you guys for watching until this far. Thank you for your continuous support and your love.